Hi guys, welcome back to Sportario channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to apply data saver on Facebook. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Facebook application that you've been to install it. And don't forget to log in with your account. After that, you can click three stripes in the upper of the corner. Scroll down until you find the setting and privacy here. You can click settings and you can scroll down until you meet the media. Click on and you can click data saver. This data saver use up to 40% less data by reducing video's quality. Okay, click on. And this is a tutorial how to apply data saver on Facebook. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.